Good morning. So as you could see, we have a little different audio, a little different kind of pizzazz. Basically, I don't have my setup today because we are expecting a hurricane. So yeah, I know that sounded excited. I'm really crying. Like I'm crying on the inside. But I am back at the supermarket. I forgot a few things yesterday. We're going to knock out this supermarket run. Then I have to go to Toyota to service my car. So much fun, right? Right? But I need to get this all done so that by the time I get on the road trip, everything is great. Everything is dandy and fine. So, whoa, I keep forgetting to, not put my hand over the camera. But we're going to head in and then I'm going to head out. So let's get this day started. So I just got some Kingston beef patties. All right, well, I actually get the meatloafs. I got some beef patties for my nieces and I got like hardo bread, like all the good Jamaican goods. Definitely like this video if you love Kingston Bakery. Like, if you want good bread, that's the place to go. But now I finally am on my way to Toyota. It started pouring. Like, it's kind of icky out here, but it's not like hurricane status yet. So I think it's safe for me to head out there. Since I'll probably be in the waiting room, I'm going to read a little bit of this book. So I'm still on my whole law school journey, figuring out which books I like, which books I don't. I'll have a review on this book later on. I have another book review coming out. Well, by the time you guys see this video, it'll be out, but it's coming out in a few days as of right now. So yeah, this book is good, but it's just like it drags. So we'll see if it picks up towards the end. And yeah, so I'm gonna head off to Toyota, get this oil change so I can get ready for the road trip, and I'll see you guys later. Do you guys see this? Like, it's getting intense out here, but I finally made it to Toyota service and I'm on the line even though I have an appointment, so let's see what happens. So I finally got in from the rain. I ate. I took like a little, like not a nap, but like, when you gotta like rest your eyes. Yeah, it's kind of corny, but it's true. Sometimes you just need to like lay down in your own bed, watch the show. As you guys know, I've been watching a lot of Chicago PD, catching up on the old seasons that I missed, thanks to Amazon Prime. So now I am officially going to start packing. You guys are gonna help me pack. We're gonna go through what I'm gonna need and what I'm not gonna need because I always overpack. So yeah, like this video if you also overpack, because it just means you want to be prepared. You just wanna make sure you don't need anything when you're going to a place that you've never been before and you're kind of like, I don't want to have to buy something because I don't know if they stores have products for my hair or if they have the toothpaste that's not gonna make my teeth look graded. So either way, let's pack. When you think of upstate New York, what is the first thing you think of? Because personally, I think it's gonna be cold. I always think of snow or wind or just like inclement weather, as like the text messages would say. But I just looked on Google, I guess. Yeah, Google. And it said the forecast is between 81 and 89. So it's literally going to be very summery, very cool. So I think I'm going to do a lot of crop tops, a lot of shorts. Now, I probably will throw these pair in because I know I'm wearing them weird. They're yoga shorts, but you know. But basically, I decided that we're going hiking because I know my boyfriend loves hiking. So we'll be doing a lot of that. We're probably going to do a little bit of wine tasting, check out the restaurant scene in Saratoga. So I need something in between. Like I need some ball gowns, but I also need some like workout pants. So yeah, let's figure this out. I think of these. And I could pair that with this cute little red top. So let's do a bomb. It's Wednesday, which means there is one more day before I leave for my staycation getaway. Yeah, so today I am going to be doing a deep conditioner, probably do a more summery hairstyle. So like some Bantu knots or shiny bumps or some, I don't know. I'm not exactly sure yet. Maybe I'll do a twist out, but I want to do something that'll last me a couple days before I wear my fro out. I also am going to be packing some essentials. So yesterday I kind of left you guys hanging on the packing front. I figured out everything that I want to bring now. I will show you like a little brief, you know, I don't want to give too much away because I want you to see the outfits and the places. But yeah, so I'm going to pack my essentials like, you know, deodorant, panties, toothbrush, all the things you pack on the last day. So definitely comment below if you have ever forgotten any of those things. When I was younger, I was notorious for forgetting my toothbrush when I was traveling with my dad. I don't know why it was just with him, but I would always forget my toothbrush, but he would always forget his too. So we would just always have to buy one. Toothbrushes aren't bad. It's like when you forget like shirts or underwear that it's like kind of sketch. Or if you're older and you have to use a specific deodorant. So like this video if you know only like 1 or 2 deodorants work for you. Girl, who are you playing with? We all know that sometimes, you know, you get a little funky if you get the wrong deodorant stick. So let's not. So back to what I was saying, we're going to go edit. Yes, I know I was not saying that before, but yeah, we have about 3 videos to release while I'm gone. 1 for my channel. So I'm gonna go edit those 3. I'm gonna eat some breakfast, and then I'm gonna, you know, get everything done, because I am not a last minute packer. I'm one of those girls that have to pack like a month ahead. So this little spontaneity was, yeah. Last night, my mom got so frustrated with me. I was like, Mom, which shorts should I bring? I'm like, is this a day dress or a night dress? But, because you guys know I'm a drama queen, as you could tell, I am in my sports bra because it is hot. Yeah, I slept like this because it is hot. My hair looks like this because it is hot. My voice sounds like this because it is hot. So I can't wait to go take a nice cold shower, but I have to do everything else before for the most part. So let's go start the day. See you guys in a few.